The cool thing about Kindle Direct Publishing is you don't necessarily have to be a writer. You don't necessarily have to be good at writing books and whatnot. The way that I did it is I hired ghostwriters. What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com, coming back to you with another video. In this video, I want to teach you and share with you 5 ways that you can make money on Amazon in 2020. I've been making money online since about 2013. I quit my job. I was working at the Cracker Barrel. I was working a bunch of crappy jobs, delivering pizza. It sucked. And then I learned how to make money online. eBay, Craigslist, affiliate marketing, a whole bunch of different things, but I'm not gonna be talking about those topics in this video. Here I've got 5 ways that you can make really good money on Amazon. I've made money on Amazon with 4 of these. There is one that I haven't done, but I know people who are having success with this. So this is a legitimate video. These are real ways that you can make money. And if you're looking for a way to make money online and you've been hearing about this company that is starting to slowly grow, I kid. Amazon, a company that's freaking exploding and taking over. And we got the freaking police going crazy in the background, so I apologize about that. But let's dive into this. Let's talk about the 5 ways that you can make money on Amazon. Number 1, KDP. What the heck is KDP? It stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. At one point, I was making almost $10,000 a month with Kindle Direct Publishing. And essentially what that is you are selling ebooks, right? Text, you're selling stories, nonfiction books. It could be fiction, it could be whatever you want, but selling ebooks on Amazon. Amazon has a huge market with their Kindle devices of customers who are looking to, buy knowledge, right? Whether that's gardening or cooking or selling on eBay or finance or paranormal. There was some books that I had ghost written about werewolves. I'm not gonna get into that now, but there's a topic or there's an ass for every seat. You wouldn't believe it. The cool thing about Kindle Direct Publishing is you don't necessarily have to be a writer. You don't necessarily have to, be good at writing books and whatnot. The way that I did it is I hired ghostwriters on websites such as Upwork.com and OnlineJobs.ph. And with OnlineJobs.ph, which is one of my favorite websites, you can hire virtual assistants to write, to edit, to do graphic design, to do anything that you need to publish a book on the Kindle Direct Publishing platform for as little as $2 to $4 an hour. So KDP is awesome. All you really want to focus on, at least my strategy, there's more than one way to skin a cat. But for me, what I did is I researched the topics that people were interested in, and I would find holes in the market. For example, this is back in 2015. There wasn't a ton of digital ebooks around some of the niches of gardening, such as aquaponics or hydroponic gardening. There was a lot of topics that people were searching for, and there's techniques that you can utilize to kind of figure out what people are looking for. One tip is go onto Amazon, into the Kindle store, and start typing in parts of a word. For example, aqua. Just type in aqua and then stop typing, and you'll notice it'll start recommending words. Aquaponic, maybe aqua fishing. I'm making up words. But start typing in words like, for example, how to make, and then stop typing. It'll say how to make money online, how to make money on eBay, how to make money selling, merch by Amazon, t-shirt designs. It'll recommend searches for you. These are ideas that you can create books around. You can write it or you can hire a ghostwriter. So Kindle Direct Publishing is awesome. I love it. Look it up. There's tons of free information on YouTube about all these things that I'm gonna be discussing. Number 2, merch by Amazon, MBA. I'm not talking about getting a business degree. I'm talking about merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon parallels a lot of what I was talking about with Kindle Direct Publishing. The only difference is instead of hiring ghostwriters to write books for you, you're hiring graphic designers to create designs for you. So on Merch by Amazon, you can upload designs to coffee mugs, to long sleeve t-shirts, to short sleeve t-shirts. They have all different types of products now that you can upload designs on. So for example, maybe you create a design on Canva.com, which is a great free software to create designs that says, I love cats. All you have to do is sign up for Merch by Amazon, which is free. They do have an application process, so you might not be able to get in instantly. Unlike KDP, anybody can sign up and start publishing. But you get in, you upload your design. You don't even have to pay anybody. You can do it yourself if you have any design skills. Upload it, and then it'll be for sale on Amazon. If somebody buys your design, Amazon then uploads your design onto the t-shirt or whatever product it is that you're selling, and then they fulfill it. They ship it, they create it, and they send it to the customer, and you get a royalty. So Merch by Amazon is one of the best ways to earn passive income. It's gonna take a lot less money to get started versus, you know, a Kindle book, which could cost you anywhere from $100 to $1,000 to publish. I have over 200 Kindle Direct books that I've published, and they've typically cost me anywhere from like $100 to $200. I used to write really short version ones. And another cool tip about KDP, this is just the digital format. Once you create a Kindle book, you could turn that into a physical book through CreateSpace and an audio book through Audible. But I'll save that for another video. Number 3, FBA. We've already talked about Kindle Direct Publishing. We've already talked about Merch by Amazon. What's FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So essentially what you do, and I've taught thousands of people how to do this, just check out my channel, is you go to places like thrift stores, I'm talking Goodwill, Savers, Salvation Army, garage sales, go attend your local auction, look on the Craigslist free section or Facebook Marketplace, and you buy items and you send them to Amazon. You send them to their fulfillment centers. And essentially what happens is you list your item on Amazon. Maybe you buy an item for $5. You list it on Amazon through the FBA program for $25. Maybe you have 10 of these products. You throw them all in a box. You ship them off to the customer. You ship them off to the Amazon warehouse, and then when it sells, Amazon will ship it to the customer. Take your products, put it in a box, throw a label on it. You're gonna price all your items in advance through Amazon's back end, which it's Amazon Seller Central. You ship it to the warehouse. When it sells, Amazon picks it, packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer. So all you have to do is find low valued items, ship them to Amazon through the FBA program to their fulfillment warehouses. And when it sells, they pick it, pack it, ship it, and you earn a royalty. So this is a great way to make, you know, I put the quotes on it, passive income, because there is a lot of upfront work. You have to buy the products, you have to go source it, you have to prep it, you have to package it, you have to list it. But once you've got a whole bunch of items at the FBA warehouse, you can make some really awesome money on vacation. You know, today I think we've made over like $400 just hanging out in my apartment, shooting videos and working on my business, because I have a bunch of books and board games and electronics and video games that I've sourced and sent into the warehouse, and they're still selling. So that's awesome. Number 4, this is a little different. This is called Amazon Flex. It's the Flex program. And this is a little different than all of the other 5 ways to make money on Amazon, because this one actually requires you to go out and do real physical work outside of your apartment or outside of your home. Amazon Flex is a program that allows you to partner up with Amazon, and when products come within the last mile or a couple miles of their destination, essentially what you do is you team up with Amazon, you pick up all of the packages, and then they give you, it's like a Sapphire or an app, and you can go deliver it to all the customers to the final mile, right? And it's through the Amazon Flex program. And the cool thing is Amazon's paying anywhere from $18 to $25 per hour to just deliver packages, which is pretty cool. You're self-employed. I believe you can maybe make your own schedule. I'm not exactly sure. I think there's standards that you have to follow, and you have to, you know, deliver a certain amount of items, but 18 to 25 bucks an hour. So this doesn't cost you any upfront money, but you do have to make sure it's in your area. I just moved to Miami, Florida, so I haven't checked yet, but about a year ago, I was checking Amazon Flex in Connecticut, and they didn't have it available. So definitely check out Flex. Definitely a great way to make some money, to invest in the FBA, invest in Kindle Direct Publishing, Merch by Amazon. And last but not least, number 5, this is gonna be for the folks who are creating YouTube videos, such as myself, or maybe you have a bunch of content, or maybe you just love making videos, and you wanna share tips and tricks and strategies to help people, cooking videos, whatever it is you do, start uploading your videos to Amazon Video Direct. Because similar to YouTube, like for example, this YouTube video, I put ads on it through the Google AdSense program, and I make money. Typically my videos make anywhere from $10 to $20 per 1,000 videos. With Amazon Prime Video Direct, that's the program, PVD, Prime Video Direct, you upload your videos to Amazon and then they pay you, just like the AdSense program. It is a little bit of a pain in the butt, and I've noticed that it's kind of challenging to get your videos uploaded, and you have to have a system and a process in place. But if you're making videos on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, high quality videos, definitely check out Prime Video Direct. There's some great opportunities to rank for keywords that are pretty competitive on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, so on and so forth. So those are the 5 ways to make money on Amazon. Kindle Direct Publishing, which is self-publishing your own books. You don't have to be a writer. Hire people. Upwork, Online Jobs PH. The same applies for MBA, Merch by Amazon. You create design. Just hire graphic designers. I have a buddy who has thousands of designs up. He has a team in place in the Philippines. He's able to create a design, research a design, publish a design for less than $1 a design. And there's lots of different ways that you could take one design and turn it into 50 designs. So stay tuned for more videos like that. FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, sourcing physical products and sending them to the warehouse. Amazing way to make money. You can even utilize wholesale, private label, liquidation. There's so many different ways to make money through FBA, even outside of thrifting and garage sales and stuff. Amazon Flex, delivering packages, 18 to 25 bucks an hour for Amazon, and Prime Video Direct, uploading videos to Amazon. So if you enjoyed this video, do me a big favor and smash that like button, show some love. These are real ways to make money on Amazon. If you're not making money right now in 2020, it's on you. Don't beat yourself up. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Be grateful that you now know how to make money online. And these are 5 ways you can do it on Amazon. Just get started. Watching these videos is amazing. And finding some content creators that you connect with is great. Hats off, right? I congratulate you for taking action and researching, but now you've got to start working. You've got to pick one. Don't pick this, and that and be like, all right, guys, and start telling your family, I watched this awesome video from this guy named Raiken Profit. He was going crazy in the video, so excited, and I'm going to start all 3 of these. No. Please don't. Start one, pick one. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What are you passionate about? What do you value? What's something that is really getting your, getting your blood boiling in a good way, right? Maybe you love writing, or maybe you love graphic design, or maybe you love treasure hunting, or maybe you like shooting videos, or maybe you like to be out and about. Maybe, I used to be a pizza delivery guy. I enjoyed it, but I didn't make enough money. But maybe you love just being out and about and mingling with people, and you don't want to be stuck behind a laptop all day. Check out Amazon Flex. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a big favor and smash that like button. Leave a comment below. Share some tips and tricks. If you've had success with any of these 5 ways to make money online, I'd love to know. With that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.